So hey, what's up mga kote? It's me, Ate Mariel, at welcome sa Quadernos, where learning is the name of the game. So kung bago ka pa lamang sa aming YouTube channel, i-click mo na subscribe, like, and share button para may updated ka sa aming mga videos. So samahan natin si Super K sa panibagong araw at panibagong lessons na ating matututunan dito sa Quadernos, at ang bagong lesson natin for today is all about Courteous Expressions. So dito malalaman natin what is an example scenario about Courteous Expressions. So, paano ito nako-convey, paano siya nangyayari, at paano siya sasabihin or gagawin. So, ayan, Courteous Expressions. Meron muna tayong isang get set. Vacation is over. All the pupils are back in school. All friends are together again, but there are newcomers too. Some of them are foreigners like Chinese, Koreans, Japanese, British, and Americans. Everyone is excited to see and greet each other. Here is one scenario. This is the scenario number 1. Dialogue number 1. So, ayan. Si Benjo, si Jojo, si Art, and lahat ang nag-uusap at ang class. So, ayan. Hi everyone, said Benjo. It's good to see you all back. Good morning to you all and welcome back. So Jojo said, you seem to have enjoyed your vacation. You look alright. And Benjo replied, of course I did, thanks. And Art said, hello, how are you two doing? Any good news for our team? And Jojo said, well, we enjoyed our vacations and we look all good. Here comes Sir Sanchez. Oh, good morning, sir. I hope you'll have a good day ahead. So, the courteous expression is nag-hi everyone, and it's like they are greeting, right? And really in a courteous way. It's like courtesy, and they are talking really, really good about how's their vacation and all. And binati din nila yung teacher nila. It's a type of courteous expression. So, the second one, Sally helps Dolly. Teacher, Sally, please get my books in the library. So, Sally said, my pleasure, ma'am. And yan, inutusan siya na kunin yung books sa library. And then Dolly came and said, where are you going, my dear friend? You seem to be in a hurry. So, ayan, nagtinanong na niya yung si Sally if saan siya pupunta. And I'm not. Do I look like I am? Miss Dever requested me to get books. And Dolly said, may I help you carry them? Carry them? I want to be of help. Sally said, why not? That way I can move fast. Thank you very much. And they said, you're almost welcome. Now, we finished with our task. May I leave you for a while? So, sure, God bless you for being kind. So, the courteous expressions he said is, thank you, welcome, and that's their courteous expressions. So, ayan muna yung part 1 natin. So, when we discuss the courteous expressions, so balik tayo dito sa topic natin to courteous expressions. So, when we say courteous expressions, words that are polite include please, thank you, and excuse me. So, for example, okay, back to example. So, example, when you say excuse me, you say excuse me when you want to pass somebody. For example, excuse me, parang i-emphasize mo na nandun ka, yung presence mo, and gusto mo silang make way kasi dadaan ka, or bibigyan sila ng signal na tumabi kasi dadaan ka, even in a situation na may dala kang gamit, or gusto mo lang talagang dumaan, and gusto mo silang i-alert na medyo masikip yung way or nakaharang sila sa way. But in a courteous way, you'll say, excuse me, and you also say excuse me to somebody you do not know when you want to attract their attention. For example, in a mall, for example, you wanted to know something about the product, and you said to the sales lady, excuse me, can you give some shades of this kind of lipstick I want to buy? And For example, sa damit, excuse me, do you have any size small for this one? So, ganon. So, dito naman sa number 1, ayan, yung courteous expressions sila, binabati nila yung isa't isa, and they make themselves really respectful with each other. So, ayan. So, another courteous expression is sorry. You say sorry when you want to apologize on something you, hindi naman sa bad habits or parang may hindi lang napagkaunuhan o hindi sinasadya. We will say sorry on something in a certain situation na medyo nakasakit tayo or medyo hindi naging comfortable yung isa't isa na individuals dahil nga sa nangyari. So, for example, sa school, laging sinasabi natin yan na sorry I'm late, I'm sorry I don't have any assignments, I don't finish my assignments, ganyan. So, I beg your pardon, and meron pang pardon me, or I'm afraid, yung parang I'm afraid, like, pag sinabi natin I'm afraid, you use a phrase, I'm afraid when you want to apologize because you have to tell somebody something that they may not like. So, I'm afraid you might get offended for my actions, mga ganon. So, meron dit pa rito, I wonder if, please, thank you, and that's it. So, yun yung mga examples ng mga courteous expressions na maaari nating makita. So, for example na lang, yung meaning ng courteous expression sa Webster or Merriam-Webster, it's about showing respect and consideration for others. Ayan, they show respect here in scenario 1. They are really having a good conversation about their vacation, and they greet their teacher very well and very polite. On the second situation, Dolly helps Sally to carry the books that her teacher was tasked her to bring it on the library. And they say na, she said, my pleasure, ma'am. And yan, may I help you carry them? And thank you very much, you say that. And you're most welcome. And sure, God bless, and thank you for being kind. So that's their some of the courteous expressions. So meron pa tayong part 2, syempre. May marami pa tayong conversations na pwedeng ma-encounter when we talk about courteous expressions. So, syempre magkasunod lang to. And of course, the greetings of thank you. Have a great day and God bless. So, of course, click the thumbs up button if you like this video, and leave a comment down below if you have questions, clarifications, suggestions na pwede namin ituro dito sa Quadernos if you want college things, or if you want tips, if you want more knowledge about this certain subject. You can just email us and tell us about your suggestions and, of course, inquiries about us. So, thank you, have a great day, and God bless, and see you on my next video. Bye-bye!